Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Virgos. We'll be picking few cards, guys, from this deck for your daily reading, for your career situation and love reading. We'll be picking cards from few more decks, guys. So this is for your daily energy, Virgos. I'll be picking cards from this deck for your career situation and your love reading. So this is for your career situation, Virgos. This is for your love energy, and one card from the wisdom oracle deck. So we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading. So this is for your general guidance, guys. So these cards may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but it is a general guidance, so we can follow that guidance to make things go in a very harmonious way in our life, in our day-to-day life. So let us turn the cards now, Virgos, for your daily energy. It's the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Nine of Pentacles, and Page of Cups. So with these cards in your situation today, you may feel really romantic, and sense of fulfillment is there today in yourself, that happiness and contentment in your situation, guys. These energies, it may relate to your personal life, guys, or your career situation. So you have that deep understanding, whatever your situations is. Something is telling you what you need to do today, guys, and you know what you need to do. So some kind of intuitive guidance today is happening today. It may take you by surprise, but it is there. That is what I see with this card. Something guiding you towards some direction, some path in life. And maybe for some of you, you have that great understanding today, guys, and you feel that a romance overwhelming you today. You may feel you may be missing this person if you are away from them for work, or if you are away from them, maybe you are traveling. You miss them, and you will be constantly thinking about them, guys. That is what I see with this card. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos. And in your situation today, it may be your personal life situation or your career situation. You are extremely happy. You are enjoying great success in your life today, guys. It may relate to your career situation. Maybe in your work, you may be signing some lucrative deals, or some important opportunities are coming towards you that may take you towards greater fortune in your life. Things are going really well, very well, guys, I would say. So you have that happiness and contentment and joy in your heart. So that is also what I see with these cards. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We picked one card, so let us see. It is Two of Moons, guys. With this card for your career situation, Virgos, I see that you are moving towards a partnership, a business collaboration, which is going to be very successful. Things are going to go in the right way with this partnership, guys, and you will be enjoying greater success. That is what I see with this card. Maybe if you are working, you may be working with as a team maybe, or with another person who is going to help you reach success. So some kind of partnership is going to help you today, Virgos. That is what I see with this card, guys. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It is six of Suns in reverse. I hope you can see the card. I'll keep it here. Six of Moons in reverse. With this card for your relationship, this may be your energy, or this may be your person's energy, guys. So with this card, this may be you are thinking about your past person, or this person you are in relationship with, they are thinking of their past person, constantly comparing and comparing you with them, or comparing them with that past situation. So something, they are constantly living in the past, maybe in their memories, and you need to overcome that past, let go of that past. That is what this card is about, guys. So something, your memories or your hurt from the past relationship is hurting you, is not letting you to move forward, is blocking you from enjoying this present position today, guys. So this present happiness and success, whatever you are experiencing today, this past is obstructing that, or becoming an obstacle in enjoying this present situation. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship. Let us see what is the card for your general guidance. Treasure Island. This is a very auspicious card here, guys. So whenever we get this card in a reading, it just means that fortune and luck are aligning in our life. Things will shape up in such a beautiful way, and you will reach success in your life today, abundance and prosperity, and you will know that you are being provided more than you need right now. And if it is in your relationship, it may mean that you are learning so much about each other, that understanding and romance is blooming in this connection, and you need to keep your heart open to welcome that love that is coming your way today. Same way in your career situation, whatever projects or whatever opportunities that are coming towards you, you can take it up, guys. It is a very fortunate time for you to take up new projects, or it may be some collaborations. So whatever it is, this card means that your dreams and aspirations are aligning with fortunate times. So things will go in a very positive way, guys. That is what this card is about, and that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.